Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the guitar on a stable surface and loosening the strings 1 to 2 turns so the neck stays stable. This reduces tension and makes screw removal safer. Next, remove bridge pins or pickguard screws in a consistent pattern. Keep them in a labeled tray so you know their original positions. Once done, gently lift the pickguard edge nearest the controls to check for adhesive or wire clips. This lets you plan the order of removal and avoid tugging on pickup or switch wires. You now document every connection. Photographing pickup and switch wiring ensures you can restore exactly. Then unclip or unsolder one wire at a time, keeping components separated and labeled. This prevents confusion during reassembly. As you lift the guard, look for foam shims or adhesive patches and peel slowly to prevent finish lift. Once screws and fasteners are out, use a soft tool to ease stubborn edges. This avoids scratching the top and preserves alignment for the new pickguard. You place the new pickguard into position, aligning screw holes before tightening. Start screws by hand to avoid cross-threading. Next, reconnect wires exactly as photographed and perform a quick electronics check. Plug in, tap pickups, and ensure switches work. Once verified, tighten screws evenly to seat the guard without warping. Finally, retune the strings and inspect edges for gaps or adhesive issues. If you hear buzzes or see lifted edges, loosen screws slightly and reseat, or reapply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.